Welcome to How to Cook. I'm Bill Cook, and if you're watching one of these videos and you've been watching my other videos, you might notice something's a little bit different. Guess what, folks? I bought a real camera, an actual camera. Yes, I bit the bullet. I bought a real camera. You're looking at me through a much better camera, therefore I just got 10 years older. All right, that's the end of the complaining part about having a fancy new camera. Anyways, I would hope to learn how to use it because I don't even know what most of the buttons are for, honestly. I actually, at one point, I actually worked selling cameras. I know what an f-stop is. I know what ISO is. I don't know what half of these things are. So I'm taking a crash course in modern photography. Yes, so pretty exciting. Pretty exciting. If you want to know what kind of camera it is a Panasonic GH6. I know there's a million choices out there. I happen to be a fan of Panasonic cameras. At least it's not a Sony. That's all I have to say about that. Yes, hate comments in the comments. If you're a Sony fan, I'm sick of Sony, not a sycophant. So if you're a fanboy of Sony and I just offended you, leave me a comment. That'd be hilarious. If you need help writing the comment, you can ask your mommy. Okay, that may have just gone way too far. We're not here for that. Hopefully none of those people will click on this video and the rest of you will just find it funny. Okay, well, we are here to talk about, and what was in the thing, and you're seeing all this stuff, the title down there is turkey burgers. Now, you saw me make a turkey burger a while back. I told you it was the ultimate turkey burger. Okay, let you know a little behind the scenes thing. We lie here on YouTube. It is not the ultimate turkey burger. I found something better. And in the realm of, or in the way of, or in the vein of, I don't know which way you want to say that, of bringing you correct information, I'm going to share with you this. Jennie-O turkey patties. These are actually delicious. These are awesome. And if you notice, I keep looking up, this camera has a view screen. I can finally see what's going on, and it's weird, it's addictive. So I'm going to stare at the lens now and not the, but I want to look at it. It's just so cool. This is so much fun. Anyways, I digress. Back to the turkey burgers. These things are amazing and they're awesome. You will really like these. These are quarter-pound turkey patties here. They are pre-formed. There is nothing in these except turkey. They are really, really good. They're 93.7, so they are fairly lean compared to beef. They have great flavor. They actually cook up really nice, and they actually taste really good. You don't get that meatloaf burger thing like you do with a lot of other turkey, and it's not over-processed. It's in good-sized pieces, so it actually tastes like a real burger. It cooks like a real burger. Now, you have to keep in mind this is poultry, so you do have to cook the crap out of it. Don't think you're eating it medium rare. If you are, make sure you leave a will, or some sort of thing to people know what to do with your remains or whenever they find you. At least like a living trust or something like that. But a will, will do whatever. Otherwise, you can just cook your food all the way. Now, since they are poultry, I actually got gloves that fit. Yes, I will be wearing gloves. This may be the first or second time ever on this channel putting on gloves because I want to set a good example. And it's turkey. So we are going to cut into this. Now, this is made of some space-age polymer that they use to contain all the alien aircraft that they've been hiding. I'm sure that must be it, In case you haven't been watching the news lately, apparently there's aliens now. Okay. When Bigfoot is on 60 Minutes giving an interview, pretty much it's all over. Okay. Just saying that. All right. Here we have our turkey patties. There's 4 of them in here. I have 4 bags. I'm putting these in the freezer. These don't last very long. Just brought these home. I'm going to divide these up right now, and they're going in the bags. These thaw out super fast. So if you're like, hey, I really want a burger, but it's, only 2 hours, you can thaw one of these things out in 2 hours. Trust me, you can. So we are going to peel off, and they're still semi-frozen. We're going to peel off these suckers. They are on their own little parchment thing here. The gloves are definitely making this a lot more interesting. And there are a couple of tricks to making this taste really good when you get to the point of grilling it. I will show you that in a minute when we go to the grill. But for now, we're just going to try and pull these apart without destroying them so that we can individually serve these. The reason I do that is because my wife loves these. I don't want to eat all of her turkey. I'm just thinking of her, you know. So I don't necessarily partake of these myself. Oh, there we go. I found the side here. I got it. Don't worry, folks. Tragedy averted. Okay. So just get your finger in here. I'm going to use the parchment paper to help pull this apart. There you go. If these are not frozen, it does make your life a lot easier. If you've already gone through and frozen them, well then you're going to have to fully thaw them out. You'd think, since I said they're super easy to thaw out, I would just stop and show you how to thaw them out. But if I do that, well then we're already down the process of adding bacteria and other things, which I do not want to do. I want to keep these at a safe temperature. So always, what are the safe temperatures? You know this. Under 40, over 140. This is well under 40. All right. I'm trying not to destroy this. All right, we'll move on from that. Okay. Just pretend that one came apart and there you go. All right, put them all in the individual bags, seal these up, stick them in the freezer. It's mocking me. It's mocking me. Can you hear it? It's mocking me. Okay, I'm going to deal with that. And then I'm going to put these in the freezer, and when I pull them out, I'm going to show you how to cook one of these things to get the maximum flavor and the maximum enjoyment because, hey, everybody likes the name Max, right? There you go. All right, perfect. I'll see you back here in just a minute. Just so you know, I got it apart. Ha ha, who's the, yeah, exactly. All right, see you in a second. So I know it's a turkey burger, but you still want it to taste good. So we're going to make an epic burger sauce to go with this. This goes great on any kind of burger. It also goes great on a sandwich, and you can dip your fries in it. So I suggest you try making this because it's really good, super quick. 4 ingredients. 4. Well, 5 if you count love. Who counts love? Come on. All right. So we have some mayonnaise. Now I measure this religiously. I mean, just absolutely can't. Apparently there's hard to get the mayonnaise out of here. Okay, there we go. That looks like a decent amount of mayonnaise right there. Do you see that? I don't know if you can see that. We'll grab the other camera real quick so you can see this better. I can't believe I forgot the little camera. I'm so infatuated with the new camera, I forgot about that. And if you're wondering about that nice warm glow in here, I actually got actual professional lighting now. I got one of those light box things with a big panel on it and stuff, and I know, it's like, I feel like a real grown-up now. It's pretty funny. All right, so here is the amount of mayonnaise. How much is that? 1/4 cup, something like that. Okay, the next ingredient going in is ketchup. You could use cat soup as well. Just don't tell your dogs. How much? Actually a fair amount. Not bad. Good 1.5 tablespoons, I would say on that, roughly. Mustard. There's probably a joke in there somewhere. I just can't think of it. Okay, a little bit of mustard. Not a lot of mustard. Mustard overpowers. That is a teaspoon of mustard at best. Here is the Worcestershire sauce. I'm getting better at saying that, aren't I? Yeah, okay. I'm never going to nail that on purpose. All right, we're going to put just a bit in, a couple of drops, a little wiggle. Just give it a boop, boop, a little wiggle. There you go. And that is basically my burger sauce. And I'm trying to come up with a name for this. It's not Thousand Island because it doesn't have any pickles or any relish in it or anything like that. It's got mustard in it. And it's really amazingly good. It's not quite, I don't know if you know who Guy Fieri is. He's this guy on the food channel thing, something. He does some show. You never heard of him. Never mind. Anyways, he has a thing called donkey sauce. It is similar to this, but I add the Worcestershire. The Worcestershire makes it really good. So if his is donkey sauce, what do I call this? I came up with a funny name, but I don't know if it's that funny, so you just let me know. But I thought about, okay, so Thousand Island is a pretty classic thing, but my name is Bill. So what, like, Billion Island? I mean, it's more than 1,000, right? Billion islands? Come on. If it goes over really good, maybe I can afford an island. The guy that came up with Thousand Island, did he get one of those islands? I don't know. I tried to look it up. They were like, you know, the AI thing just said, shut up, go away. Those things are getting rude. I don't know. Anyways. Don't know. Okay. That is what a burger sauce looks like. This is crazy. You're going to make this? This should be on every burger. It is worth it because that only took 2 seconds. Right? Right. So there you go. Burger sauce. That's it. I'm going to put all this away, come back in half a second and show you the trick to making the turkey burger awesome right before we throw it on the grill here. So we have our turkey patty here, and it looks lovely and wonderful, and it's ready to go, but we are going to make this fit the bun a little bit better because I don't know if you notice, it's pretty small. It doesn't need to be that small, so we're going to thin that out just a smidge. I'm going to reach in and grab the little piece of parchment-y wax paper that they come on. Now, I have some barbecue dry rub here. This isn't the one I normally use because I'm out. I make my own dry rub. I don't know if you've seen the Billy Bob stuff. I make my own. I currently don't have any of my Black Label dry rub. It's the old thing where a cobbler has no shoes and the whole thing because, yeah, whatever. Is it just me or do you really, really, really want to eat cobbler now? Sorry. But yeah, I'm out of, oh, that shut off. Okay, yeah, that shut off for some reason. Okay, that's fun. I'm really glad I have the new camera because I really need this. Okay, my old equipment sucked. Okay, we are just going to sprinkle a little bit of this on there, not a ton, that was a ton. Okay, it comes out quick. We're gonna put a little on this side because we're gonna eat both sides. It's an old joke, but it still works. Okay, that's perfect. Now, we're going to slide the burger towards about the center of the bag. We don't need this anymore. It's out of the way. You're wondering what this is for? Well, we're going to boil the burgers. I'm kidding. It's gross. We're going to smash this. Yes, in the bag, perfectly. Give it a little boop that way. Look at that. Smash the burger. And it's got seasoning in it. Just smash the seasoning right into it. That is about the size of a hamburger patty, isn't it? That's the proper size. And these go just a smidge. So yeah, you want the extra size and that whole thing. They do come out a little bit thin, but that's what a quarter-pound hamburger turkey burger looks like. And that's it. So this basically just goes on the grill. We're going to cook it up. I'll show you that in 2 seconds, and we'll come back here and assemble. All right, let's go. One trick with cooking this turkey burger is getting it out of the bag. So I like to do the spatula on top, flip it over, and then slide it out. It works great. That keeps you from tearing it apart. Now the rest of this just cooks up like a regular burger. So we've got some buns here. We're just toasting them up. You want to make sure you rotate them 45 degrees so you get that perfect crosshatch on there. Otherwise, I mean, the burger's going to taste terrible. It's gross. So take the buns off when they're cooked. That doesn't take very long. With this turkey patty, it cooks up fast. Okay, they are thin and they cook up quick. When you got the juice on top, it's ready to flip it. We're going to throw some cheese on there. I've got some cheddar going. I've got the red onion on the grill so that it gets all softened up and beautiful. It gets caramelized and oh man, it's amazing. That is a great way to make your onions taste great. Burger's done at this point. Let's eat. All right, our turkey patty is off of the grill. You can see this here. It's gorgeous. It's amazing. It's beautiful. That looks... Come on. I can only say beautiful, gorgeous so many times. You're going to have to try it, and then you'll know. I've got my lightly toasted buns here. Okay, one's a little toastier than the other. One's a top and one's a bottom. 2 in a row, folks. Yes! It's awesome. I think it's the new camera. All right. Did I mention I got a new camera? Okay, we're going to put some of our burger sauce down here. Now, the burger sauce, don't spare the burger sauce. Come on. You want it to taste good, don't you? All right, got a little bit of that going down. All right, we got a little bit of our grilled onions going down. Oh, these, look at how beautiful those are. They're like earrings. No, they're not. Don't do that. Rottweilers will chase you home. They will. Trust me. They're a chasey dog. All right, this is going to be for my wife. She's not a huge tomato fan, so I'm going to put 1 tomato on it. Normally you'd put 2 or 3. I'm going to put 1. We're going to put some of our lettuce down here. Yes, we are, because we want it to look pretty. This thing had better take one heck of a thumbnail, which means I'm going to move the tomato to the edge. I'm cheating, folks. That's part of the movie magic thing here. All right, this is going right down on top of that right there, just like that. I think that's going to be beautiful. And what do we have? What do we have? The bun. That's it right there. The perfect turkey burger. That's how you make a great turkey burger. Super easy. The Jennie-O patties that are already formed, you can't beat them. Honestly, I have tried. I've made a lot of turkey burgers. That's the best turkey burger I've ever had and ever made, and I didn't have to do a gosh darn thing to except throw a little seasoning on it and put it on the grill. You don't get much better than that. I love these time savers, and that is definitely a time saver, especially when it's a flavor adder. I have not been drinking, I promise. I slur my words way worse when I'm drinking. So I hear. I don't know. I don't remember any of it. But that is a turkey. It's the new camera, I'm telling you. I think it's something in there. Anyways, this is the conclusion of the turkey burger thing. I thank you for watching this. And if you want a really great turkey burger, you are going to have to get this. And oh, got burger sauce dripping off the... Oh, yeah. All right. Thanks for watching this episode here, or whatever it's called. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks so much. Bye. Hi. Welcome back. It feels very smooth in here. I have a new light box. Oh yeah. It's on warm. I feel cozy. Would you like to make a burger sauce with me? Okay, let's do that. That's creepy. I won't use any of this because this is just weird.